exciting night of celebration. I'm April Scott. I'm director of the Small Business Center at Brunswick Community College, and it is an honor to be here with you tonight as I introduce the 2018 Top 10 for 10 winners, specifically in the category of manufacturing. This year's winner has been called the personification of a self-made entrepreneur. He has grown a startup business into a multi-million-dollar enterprise. This company started with 2 people and now employs over 50. He has built a reputation for building the highest quality product and outstanding delivery of performance. He was asked to give a tip for running a successful business, and he was quoted as saying, "Make every supplier and customer a long-term relationship." This company's work can be seen and utilized almost every day. As you walk the Cape Fear River, as you visit the North Carolina battleship, as you watch your favorite football team, a visit to the dentist, or find yourself in need of equipment for a knee or hip replacement. It is my pleasure that I announce this year's Top 10 for 10 winner in the manufacturing category for the 3rd time to Pete Peterson, owner of Manufacturing Methods.
Thank you all. Keep this short and sweet. If I'd have known this for sure, I'd have probably filled up another 55 of these seats with the guys that probably really need to be up here with accepting this award. So I kind of get the credit, but in reality, I'm surrounded by a group of great people. I think we've created a great culture, and they're the ones that's done this, not me. All I can do is keep pushing them and keep the vision and keep moving. And thanks for the Business Journal, CIE, UNCW. I could name all the people that's been behind me, but I know I'd forget somebody, and it'd take forever. So thanks, guys.